Hi, welcome to the overview video on light control for your Volvo truck. The exterior lighting is controlled through the light control panel. The rotary knob controls the available light options, including the automatic headlights if the truck is equipped with that feature. To begin, let's review the controls themselves. To turn the lights off, position the knob to the far left. Next to that, you can enable the parking lights. The third position turns on the headlights. To activate low or high beams, use the stalk on the steering column. The next control operates the fog and driving lights if spec'd on the truck. To set the headlights to automatically turn on, position the control at auto. If this optional feature is spec'd, the truck will also have rain-sensing windshield wipers. To utilize the hazard lights, press the button at the bottom of the control panel. To adjust the control panel lighting inside the cab, simply use the dimmer control switch to reach your desired brightness. Here you can see the low beam, the high beam, the daytime running lamp, or DRL, and the turn signal indicator. Low beams remain on when high beams are used. If the V-shaped daytime running lamp or DRL is not spec'd, the low beam is the DRL, and the turn signal is also the parking light.